Yo, what's up, everybody? Dave here, SI, Saylor Innovations. Had a 6S Plus, actually two of them, and a 6S, all come in at the same time. And so now what I'm doing is I'm basically trying to ascertain the fate of them, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with them. So let's check it out. I put a battery to this first 6S Plus here. It started boot looping, but that's better than it did before. Wasn't doing nothing. So now we're just gonna fix it. At least take this battery out of this thing and go from there. Even with the heat mat, this battery adhesive is gone. I'll be super careful with it. Yeah, if you heat it up first, it's 10 times easier. I remember when I used to have nothing but a gun. Now that was terrible. You bend these batteries with the charge on them, they will explode. I'm gonna go ahead and take the screen out because fuck it. Looks like I'm gonna be doing quite a bit of work on this phone. Guy brings them to me, says if I can fix one of the pluses, I can have the other two. So that's always a win in my book. I don't even know exactly what either one of them needs specifically, but we're gonna figure it out because that's what I do. Now the shield's off, everything's out of it. I'll show you here. Shield's right here where my thumb is. Now I'm going to disconnect everything. Battery first, as always, which is already disconnected if you didn't notice. And there it is. Unlike the 6 Plus, the 6S Plus only has 3 ribbons. See? Home button flex, digitizer, LCD, and front camera flex. Now we got room to work.